This is just a quick demonstration on how to wire a UK 13 amp plug. You can see here live pin, which is connected to the fuse. In this case is a 13 amp fuse. Earth, neutral, and this boy here is the cord grip. That grips the cable and stops it getting tugged out. 4 tools we need: Phillips screwdriver, just a standard small size or medium size straight head screwdriver, a pair of side cutters for cutting the cable, stripping it, a utility knife or a Stanley knife. Here we have a 3-core cable that we're going to connect the plug to. A couple of ways of stripping it. Probably one of the easiest is just track out round it with the utility knife, the Stanley knife, and break it. Take care not to go too deep so you don't cut through into the cores below. There you have brown for live, blue for neutral, and green and yellow is your earth. Get your plug top, back out one of the screws, just part way. Take the other one right out. There we go. That means you can swing it out of the way. You don't have to try and re-screw them in from scratch. Now, put the cable in here. This cord grip eventually goes over the insulation, the outer insulation, not like that. This is the way it goes here. What we do is measure the cable. I'll tell you in a second just why. The live cable, measure it up to the terminal, cut it. The neutral cable, measure how long it needs to be, cut it. And the earth, measure it and cut it. Now, you can see these cables are 3 different lengths, live being the shortest one. There's a good reason for that. Once that cable is connected in there, if it did ever get tugged or pulled in the socket, the first cable to come out is the live cable and disconnects power from the cable. Right, strip these just about 6mm or 8mm from the end. Strip, you can use cable strippers, you can strip these, but anyway, try not to use your teeth. There is a blue for the neutral, the earth, and the live. Now, give them a twist so they make better contact on the terminals. There's the live going in, and connect it up. The neutral, make sure the screws are backed up to let the cable in. There's the neutral. And lastly, the earth. It really doesn't matter what order you do these in. It's just force of habit that I do them in that particular order. Needs out a bit. Now, once they're all tightened in place, you can see, because we measured them, the outer insulation is just underneath the cord grip. What we do is turn it over, put in the last screw with Phillips screwdriver, tighten it up, tighten the other one up, and that's a good secure connection. Get your live, neutral, earth, all the correct length, fit the plug top, tighten it in, and there you have a 13 amp plug wired safely.